guys, thanks for joining me for another unboxing. How you doing, guys? You okay? I hope so. I'm excited because I wasn't sure if this was going to get here, but it's here. And thank you so much, Dave McMillan, for expressing this out to me to make sure that I get it. He sent it out with an overnight courier. Thank you so much, Dave McMillan. Shaving Time. Fantastic service. Right, Shaverage. Good old faithful Scrumpy Jack. Absolutely beautiful cider. 6% alcohol. No bottle opener needed, as it's a can. So how you doing? Are you participating in a beverage as we speak? I hope so. You probably deserve it. Right. Cheers, guys. Good health. Beautiful. Right, let's get on the unboxing. These items I bought with half of my Christmas bonus from work. I treated myself. This is what I bought for me for Christmas. So here we go. No knife needed. It's not sealed. Invoice. There we go. Shaving time. Is the lighting okay? It's a bit dark in here. Right. Let me dig out. Not that one. Not that one. I'm hoping that. Ah, there it is. I was hoping this would be in there. I wasn't sure. I managed to fit it in. And it's the matching splash for candy cane. I'm pretty sure I ordered the other two as well, but I've ordered that much stuff I can't remember. I've got another couple of parcels to come. So yeah, candy cane. So looking forward to using that with the soap. Right, let's go with the main one. You know I've got a thing about bowls and brushes. Another Captain's Choice bowl, I know. Do I need one bowl? No, I don't. I collect as well. This is beautiful. This is the Captain's Choice Seaworthy Sapphire Bowl. And you got one as well, Niall, didn't you? Belfast Shaver. It's a beautiful bowl, mate. It's an absolutely beautiful bowl. So I look forward to using that. It's got the stamp on underneath. It's a beautiful bowl. The thing I find with the Captain's Choice, you've got the thumb grip from the symbol there. And fits perfect in my hand. And the circumference, it's not too big, it's not too narrow. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful bowl. Can't wait to use that. Merry Christmas to me. Oh, right. What we got, what we got, what we got? I got a new brush. And it's the Best Badger Fan Knot. 24mm Best Badger. Nicely packaged in this tissue. And there you have it, guys. I got the black band for a change because I've got the 2 band. And that's it. I haven't got a fan knot. So I fancied one. Because I'm a sucker for brushes. So look forward to using that as well, guys. Soft. I won't bother putting it back in the tissue. Right. What else have we got? You can't see that off camera, can you? Take it out the wrapper. I treated myself to another Phoenix and Bow soap, a new release, and it's the Bluebird K7. The scent notes were right up my street, and I got the matching splash. There's the Bluebird there. The jet-powered hydroplane. Hydro boat, is it? That's got the world speed record on water up in Lake Windermere. Beautiful lake, beautiful scenery, good hiking up there in the mountains. It's quite a hardish puck. Wow, that is a beautiful scent. I can smell mandarin. Is that patchouli? I think there's a bit of patchouli and vetiver in there. There's a bit of woodiness. I think it's sandalwood in the background. That is a beautiful scent. I really look forward to using that. Yeah, Bluebird K7. Love the label. Absolutely love the label. Used to see that on the trump cards when we were kids. Do you remember the trump cards? Super Trumps. Yeah, so looking forward to using these in the new year, which isn't that far away. Only 3 more sleeps, guys. I always get excited like a kid as it gets closer. The build up, the weeks coming up to it, no, I'm not interested. But when it gets that little bit closer, I get all excited, like a big kid. Right, that's it. That's the unboxing. Just an update. Me and Mrs. B have had our boosters. I've been absolutely fine. It knocked Mrs. B about just a tad. She was feeling nauseous. Quite a bad headache. Felt sick and everything. So she's next door actually right now as we speak. She's put a horror film on. And she switched all the lights out, so she's in the dark and she's watching a bit of a film. Yeah, so that's it. Right, I'm gonna head off up to the den now and have a nice midweek shave. Don't know what I'm using yet. I'll have to wait and see. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. Have a fantastic rest of the week, and if I don't see you Friday, Christmas Eve, the video will be up anyway. I know everybody's going to be busy with their families and everything, and that's fantastic. It'll be up there for whenever you want to see it. So yeah, if I don't see you before, I'll see you Friday for the Christmas Eve shave. Take it easy, guys. Stay smooth and stay safe. Bye for now.